Now, dear students, today we will discuss what is balance of payment and what are constituents of balance of payment. Now, balance of payment, or in short BOP. Balance of payment of a country is a systematic record of all economic transactions between the residents of the reporting country and residents of foreign countries during a given period of time. In other words, the balance of payment is a statement that records all economic transactions, visible as well as invisible, within the given period and capital transfers. So, there are visible items included in balance of payment and also invisible items are included in balance of payment. So, according to Soderstrom, the balance of payment is merely a way of listing receptors and payments. It is a way of listing receptors and payments in international transactions for the country. So, what are the constituents of balance of payments? Now, current account and capital account of BOP. Now, what is current account of balance of payments? Current account is that account which records imports and exports of goods and services and unilateral transfers. Then components of the current accounts are items of current accounts. The main items are included in the current account are export or import of visible goods. यानी एक तो करंट अकाउंट के कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स में विजिबल गुड्स का इंपोर्ट और एक्सपोर्ट है. So import and export of visible material goods and precious metals. In simple words, all goods included in balance of trade are main items of current account. यानी बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड में जो भी गुड्स इंक्लूड की जाएं, those are items of current accounts. So then second one is, this was export and import of visible items. Then there are invisible items also. So import and export of invisible items, that is different kinds of services. यानी जो लोग सर्विस करते हैं कहीं बाहर, ये तो विजिबल नहीं होते, इनविजिबल आइटम्स होते हैं. These are added in current accounts. So main services are services of experts, traveling, transportation, यानी जो हमें अक्सर दिखाई नहीं देती हैं, government transactions and donations and gifts. So these are the items which are invisible items, are invisible services. So then there is capital account also. Then there is also capital accounts. It is that account which records all such transactions between residents of a country and rest of the world, which cause a change in the assets or liability status of the residents of a country or its government. Now what are items of capital account? कैपिटल अकाउंट में क्या क्या हम इंक्लूड करते हैं? Now the main items of capital account are private foreign loan flow. Foreign loans received by private sector are included in credit account and repayment of these loans is included in debit accounts. So this is known as items of capital account. Now then official transactions are there. Loans received by the public sector from abroad or International Monetary Fund comprises of credit items, and loans repaid are comprised debit items. Those are in the list of debit items. Now then third point is gold moment. When the central bank of country buys gold from abroad, it makes payment to foreign sellers. It is reflected under debit items. On the other hand, when it sells gold, it is reflected under credit items. So these are the constituents of balance of payments. Now then there is question that what is meant by balance of trade. So balance of payment is a wider term as compared to balance of trade. Now balance of trade is the difference between value of total exporters and importers of only visible items. Invisible items are not included in balance of trade. So balance of trade is difference between the value of total exporters and importers of visible items, that means material goods only. So balance of trade is a part of balance of payment. यानी बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड जो है बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट का एक हिस्सा है. So BOT, that means balance of trade, is equal to export of visible items minus import of visible items. So okay, that was all about the balance of payment. And